Hello, excuse me. I got the DIY Gollee eyelashes, y'all. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah Ferrari if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? Today I'm going to be doing my own lashes at home. My last video with individual lashes really opened my eyes because I know how to do it even better this time. I've worked with a company called Gollee, and they are so good. I love their lashes. These are the Gollee Pro Eyelash Extensions. This is DIY eyelash extensions. Like, do it yourself, babes. If you're really into, like, you know, aesthetic things, these lashes, just the boxing alone will catch your eyes. I love the way these lashes look on me, and I have been wearing them all the time. I get so many compliments, you guys. You're gonna love this, okay? I'm gonna leave the link to these lashes down below so that you can go visit their website and check it out for yourself. I love the packaging, number one, and it comes with glue when you purchase your lashes. These are clustered lashes, you guys, so you don't have to do the fans yourself, because I have tried making fans myself, and for some reason I always kind of like fail. Gollee gives you fans already. The volume in each fan is super great. So in the box you get a pair of glue. This glue is for sensitive and it is super gentle onto your eyes, but it is super strong. It lasts a while. And then in the box you get a tweezer. Look how chic this tweezer is, you guys. Each time you buy this, you can get a different color tweezer. Today I got gold tweezers, so that is super cute. And they have different style of tweezers. Look how super cute this tweezer is, and you know, you just grab your lashes and pop it right onto your eyes. Moving forward, inside of the box you get your clustered lashes, and look how neat these lashes are. They go from small to long, and they are super wispy, you guys. Super wispy, and you get that fluffy eye look that everyone be having. I love that these lashes are super wide and you get enough lashes in one cluster. You just put it right onto your eye, and it's super cute and fluffy. This is the F18, and they're a lot shorter, but you still get a lot of lashes in each individual cluster. I love that for me because I can stack them up. I'm gonna use the smaller ones, which is at the top, and use it more in the corner, and then these bottom ones in the middle, and then I'm gonna use the really long ones on the outer corner. I also got eyelash shampoo, you guys. Before you do your lashes, you must clean out your lashes. Look at the packaging again. It is super chic and cute. Gold and black. I love me a clean packaging. It says Gollee right there, and then it says botanical lash shampoo with 3 plants extracts. Okay, so this is pretty much natural, and in the back it has directions. It says shake before use. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of lash shampoo on the brush and gently cleanse. So I will pretty much use this lash glue after I have my lashes on for a few days, and I'm gonna open it up with you guys, and I'm gonna probably like apply it another day in another video. But when you open your package, this is how it looks. You get the brush and you get your lash shampoo. I love this. This is super chic, super cute. How cute is this bottle, you guys? This bottle is super chic and super cute. And then it comes with the brush, you guys. Look how cute the brush is. It says Gollee right there. And that is so cute. And then you just, you know, wash your eyelashes daily as you go about your day. Me, I wear makeup literally every day, so this shampoo is super handy. They sell this on Amazon, and they also sell it on their website. I'll be leaving the links down below for this really cute eyelash shampoo. If you go get your eyelashes done at the salon a lot, then girl, go get you some eyelash shampoo. And look how much is in this bottle. This is a big bottle, you guys. This is 3.5 ounces. That is really big, okay? So I'm so happy for this, and it will be lasting a really long time. So I do have a little bit of makeup on, and I want to use the shampoo. I know I said I wasn't going to use it, but we're going to take out pads and we're just going to demonstrate it. I also went and got a napkin with warm water because you got to wipe it off afterwards. It comes with a few pads in there for you to wash your lashes. The purpose of me using this shampoo right now is to remove all makeup and debris off of my natural lashes. You guys, I am nervous, but we're going to do this. And then you're going to want to take your water and remove the shampoo. Alright, that wasn't too harsh or nothing. Really simple. I feel like I have to do the step first because I would like my extensions to sit on there very good and last a long time. We're going to let that dry and we're going to do the next eye. Make sure your eyes is closed because this is soap and you don't want it to go inside your eyes. It will have your eyes super red. And I see a lot of makeup on my pad. You guys, I had a lot of makeup on my eyelashes. And I'm just so happy I'm doing this step because I really want my lashes to last a long time. So right now we about to start. We're gonna put on our lashes. I am kind of nervous. Every time I do this on camera, it's a little bit nervous wracking. But we're gonna do this. I'm gonna use the back of the box and pour some glue onto there. And it comes with a needle so that you can open your glue. Okay. And I'm just gonna pour some of this onto here. It doesn't have a strong scent. Like if you get your lashes done, you know some of the glues have a strong scent. It really doesn't have a strong scent to it. Okay, so last time I got Gollee lashes, I did get the lash adhesive. And this one is strong also. I like to use both. I like to use the small, gentle formula and also the lashes adhesive. So they have all of these on their website. They have all of these options, you guys. With this one, it has like a little wand that you can use, and then you just put it right underneath your lashes. But if, ooh, is my lashes so wet? Make sure your lashes is dry, okay? Like I said, I've used Gollee before, so I'm super excited to be doing this and showing you guys, putting you onto a great product. Just gonna put that right underneath my lashes. And we're gonna allow that to get tacky. As you can see, it's white, but then once it starts to dry, it becomes clear. You wanna grab your lashes from the pack, and you wanna dip that into the black glue. Using both of these is just gonna give me a more secure finishing, and it's gonna last so much longer. You wanna wait about 5 seconds. You want to use one hand and lift up your lashes. And just like that, you have your lashes on. Look how pretty that is. I love this volume. This volume is super, super cute. You can also squeeze them together. Yes. And also use the back of your tweezer. I'm so happy I did the shampoo first because normally you will put on black mascara and then put your lashes on when you're doing the strips. But we're ditching the strips, okay? We're gonna put on individual lashes in less than 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put the second one on. You want to get the lashes as close as possible so that you don't have to go back in and fill them in. What I am going to do is probably add some lashes on top because I really want that thick look, okay? So now I'm going to take a smaller length for the middle part. I also love that these packagings have, like, you know, small, medium, and long lashes, so that you can just, you know, choose from and know that type of wispy effect you're trying to get. Know that you'll get that with this brand. You want to hold for about 5 seconds and then let it go. Once again, you want to hold for about 5 seconds before letting go. I love, love, love how this look. I just need to fill in a little bit more over here. I'm thinking, should I use this package and fill it in? Or should I just double it with these that I just used? Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Don't be afraid to double it, guys. You can put it right on top. So we're gonna use this adhesive and we're gonna just apply a little bit right there and over here, because I want to put some there too. Ooh, that glue sticks on pretty quick, you guys. Look at that. Wow. Don't be afraid to double your lashes. I love this. I'm gonna put one more there. And if you have nails, you can also use your nails. You don't even have to use a tweezer if the tweezer is giving you a hard time. Because for some reason I just keep getting stuck onto the tweezers. Yes, this is giving me a cat look. I love this so much. All you have to do is remember what you did on this eye and do the same thing on this eye. I have multiple tweezers because I love doing my own lashes. So I'm just gonna use the other tweezer because I got a lot of glue on this tweezer, and try not to make that mistake because it's hard, because it won't stick. The lashes won't stick. They will get pulled off with the tweezer. So try not to make that mistake. It's very easy to happen. Yes, I love the cat eye look it's giving me. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next eye and do the exact same thing I did, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so that wraps up my video. These are the lashes and how they came out. It's super, super cute. It's gonna last for like a month, 3 weeks. I'm gonna try to push them for a month, and I'll keep you updated in my vlogs. Thank you so much, Gollee Lashes, for sending over these lashes. I love your company, and I want to put you onto this company, you guys. Don't walk, but run and buy this lashes, okay? It is super easy and super affordable. Like, it takes less than 20 minutes to get yourself a brand new pair of hybrid lashes, okay? Hello, excuse me, people gonna be like, who did your lashes? And it was me, and I did it at home. So I love this so much, and I want you to be able to love it, especially that the holidays are in. You can also purchase these Gollee eyelashes with the lash glue and give it to a lash girl like me as a gift. Like, give it to one of your friends or your family members that you know love lashes. Like, perfect gift, you guys. Even if you not a girl that want to do it yourself, but you do go get your lashes done and you looking for a shampoo, go and click the link down below. I'll be linking this shampoo also down below. The packaging of everything is super cute. You can just have it on your dresser, you know, super cute. Look at that, y'all. If you're an aesthetic girl and you like things to be neat, this is the perfect gift, okay? Gift yourself or give someone else. Go ahead and click that link down below and purchase you some Gollee DIY extension lashes, and I promise you won't regret it. But other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video.